how to change mouse settings on Mac. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change the mouse settings on your Mac. Let's get started. Open up your settings and then you need to go to the search bar and then search for mouse and then click on mouse and trackpad. It will open up this, so you can see double click speed. You can toggle it like to the highest or slide it over to the speed that you prefer. You can see spring loading, you can toggle it on. You can choose the spring loading speed, just use the slider. And then you can ignore built-in trackpad when mouse or wireless trackpad is present. You can do it according to your choice. And then you can also toggle on mouse keys, alternative pointer actions, or head pointer in your mouse. So this is how you change mouse settings. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.